Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Degen token. Now this token's trending number 3 on DEX Screener right now. We're going over the Degen token on the BASECHAIN. Very popular token here. Their market cap is $706.8 million. Doing very well, and it came out a while ago. It didn't. Their pool on Uniswap was basically created 2 months ago, so this is not a brand new token, but still doing very well. Even in the past 24 hours, it's up 36.25%, trending number 3 on DEX Tools, or sorry, DEX Screener. I think it is trending on DEX Tools as well, though. But we're going to go over the information on this token. We're going to go over the security on this token, see if there's any red flags, any issues that we should be concerned about. And we're going to go over how to get it, all that type of stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, you can find their Twitter at Degen Token Base. I'm going to put that up on the screen there. 26,900 Twitter followers. So they have the blue verified checkmark, 150 tweets. They just joined in January 2024 on Twitter. It says everything started at warpcast.com, and then it has a link to that page there. And it also has a link to their webpage, degen.tips. They're followed by a bunch of different exchanges. Now, this token recently got listed on a few central exchanges, but an easy way to get this token, an exchange with very low fees, if you're interested, is COINEX Global. So this token got, I could go through a huge list of exchanges, like even big ones like BYBIT and all these things. But it just got listed on COINEX Global recently. So if you're looking to get this token, I do have a COINEX Global referral code down there in the description box. So basically all you have to do is simply go right through that COINEX Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Degen or Degen, or however you want to pronounce it, and then simply just buy the token. And it's listed on CoinGecko. You can find it listed all over the place. So if you want to see the charts, there's many places you can see it. Now on their webpage, degen.tips, it has an airdrop section, bounties, developers, tokenomics. So they have their own chain here. The Degen L3 chain is now live. It's EVM compatible, low transaction fees, and built for Degens. And actually, I was looking at it on DEX Screener. If you just look up the Degen chain token there, it'll pop up, and then it'll have like a trending section. It has tons of new Degen meme tokens that you can find that are listed on DEX Screener and probably DEX Tools and other sites as well. But yeah, they have a whole bunch of popular Degen tokens on the chain that are, in the millions of market cap. So doing very well here. It says turning content into currency. Degen, an ERC20 token launched in January, has reshaped the Farcaster ecosystem by enabling casters to reward others with Degen for posting quality content. Our point system recognizes unique posts and comments, effectively bridging the gap between online contributions and real-world value. 102,128 holders, 1 million transactions, And yeah, so I don't know if this is outdated stuff. Let's check out their base scan here. We'll see here. So yeah, their base scan says 105,052 holders. So insane amount of holders, 18 decimal places. They have a max total supply of 36,965,730,332 tokens, or 730,332 tokens. So basically, a little bit over 36.9 billion tokens, and they've had over 1,300,000 transfers, and they have a contact email, 18 decimal places on this token, Twitter, Telegram, CoinGecko, all linked on their base scan as well. So at the very bottom of their webpage too, you can find Warpcast link, Twitter, Telegram, CoinGecko, and their base scan on their webpage. So let's get to some security here. First of all, token price right now is about 5.5 cents. It's up 34% today. And they have a liquidity lock here. Let's see. It's not fully lit up though. It's not fully lit up at all. So it says here on DEX tools, it says 10% locked supply for 4 months, and then less than 1% of the supply locked for 1 month. So just be aware, it says it claims here on DEX tools that only 10% of these liquidity is locked. So just be aware of that. That's the first security issue I see here. I mean, this is a very well-established project, though. Hopefully their team is doxed and everything like that, because there's a lot of money involved here. Their market cap is $696.14 million. Liquidity in Uniswap is $18.94 million, but it only says 10% is locked, which is about like $1.8 or $9 million. And yeah, a lot of holders. We already went over all that. 24-hour trading volume is $144 million today. And they have a DEX score of 51 out of 99. And they lost points for an audit because they don't have a full audit. And their quick audit is not great. And they lost points for information. They're lacking information. And 32 votes. They got a community trust score of 100%. So if you check out their quick audits, they have one by Token Sniffer, GoPlus, and Quick Intel Security. And it says tokens are mintable. That's what Token Sniffer and Quick Intel Security says. And transfers are possible. And it says other risks as well. So there's at least 3 warnings here I could see. And not a full liquidity lock. So not perfect security on this token. Be aware of that. Do your due diligence. I'm not saying it is a scam. I'm not saying it's not a scam. I'm saying there's definitely risks. So be aware of that and thoroughly do your own research before getting this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Degen? Do you think this is a good project, a good investment? What do you think? Leave a comment down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.